If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to JASMY video update. Today we're looking at JASMY right now, and yesterday we talked about the, JASMY having a little bit of some 2-3 supports right there, one influence on this line right here, one influence right there, and break to the downside, came up here, got rejected, went down, came up here again, and now you're finally getting rejected. So my take about the market at the moment is that the situation for JASMY is going to be a little bit ugly. The pump to the upside has already done. That was a correction, just like we had this previous correction right here as well, and then moved down. Another correction right here, and another impulsive move to the downside is what I'm expecting right now. So basically, we still are looking for a technical target all the way to 1.7 to that green box at the moment. So let's dive into the smaller time frame, and let's read at the 1 hour time frame as well, because 1 hour is looking to shape up with a bear flag at the moment. So this is what I'm just going to tell you about very quickly. So you actually met this target right there. So a few pump came down, make 3 red candles, which is known as 3 black rows again. And from here you can see that actually there's a little bit of a flag here. So this is a pennant or a flag, you can say, and it has actually even retested the flag. If I try to zoom in there, you're going to see that this flag was broken out of. You actually broke out of the flag here, went back, and you've tested that flag again, and you are looking to get a rejection right here. So this rejection is going to force the coin. Just look at that. Yes, that's a clear rejection, maybe another shorting opportunity here. So from there to there, you're looking for JASMY to actually drop all the way from mini, drop down to 4041, and that could be a little bit of a trade with 5.96%. Day trade looks great with a 2.26% stop loss right there. So that's pretty much it for this JASMY right now. See you down at 4050, but I still don't think that's the end of it. I think we're still looking for more and more move to the downside, and that's pretty much it for this update on JASMY. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.